Oh, kuya, doon ka sa kabilang bahay matutulog. Kaya mo maglakad. Si Kuya Ray, kaya mo maglakad.
Just feel so alone, tired, drained of putting a fake smile on for people, crying at night, wanting to feel happy.